Hi everybody, welcome back to RachandBella Crafts. Rachel here, I hope you're all well. So you'll have to excuse my, well, this might be a bit quick, not together tonight because we have had a massively busy day today. Our very much awaited moving time from Mum and Dad has finally arrived. They've got the keys to the new house. I know she will tell you all about it in due time, but obviously just for you to know that I won't be doing any videos in the next week or two because she's going to be busy moving. So I've been down there today, well, attempting to paint, using my crafting skills in a completely different way. That's all I can say. I'm no painter. My partner is a painter and decorator. Unfortunately, he's busy with work at the moment, but I am no painter. So I was kind of like all the gear and no idea this morning. He lent me all the tools to go down. Oh, that's why my brush is so bad. I'm using the wrong one. And then obviously I was left to I'm not going to say a word. We'll see what it looks like when it's dry in the morning. That's all I'm going to say. I'm just very relieved that my dad changed his mind and agreed and let us stick with the white because I was a bit worried and I was thinking, oh my gosh, if we change the colour now, I'm going to have to cut it into the ceiling and it's going to be really noticeable. I don't know, we'll see. And then I got home then and then the other half said, you did roller it as you did the, sorry, we're doing journal cards today, guys, to go into the thing that we made yesterday, just if you're aware. You might want some journal cards. Sorry, I like launched straight into my day there. I've got some cardstock here left over from yesterday's file folder. I've got some photographs from our kit, the Tiley kit, the family kit. I've also just found in my, ephemera thing, some of our labels. I completely forgot we had these. I was looking for stuff for steampunk and I've got stacks and stacks of labels there. There's a whole kit full of them things. So I'm going to try and use some of those tonight, and I thought we'd utilise a little bit of our embossed paper as well, but nice and simple to ease us into the weekend. And of course, because we have got what have we got? We've got the end of the collaboration coming up. That's the words I'm looking for. So I hope you enjoyed it so far. I am actually the last day. Sorry, that was where I paused it and I was just suddenly thinking, it's not the 30th today, because I haven't done my video yet. I do giggle to myself. I shouldn't say this, I'm just telling tales at school, but some of the girls in our collaboration, well, probably all of them except me, are like super organised, and the minute they find out when their date is, they all know when their date is. When they get the date and they know what they got to do, off they go, and the majority of them have their videos done like weeks in advance, at least a week, to put it that way. I, on the other hand, stroll along without before. Oh, I shouldn't say this now because you're probably all going to say, yes, it shows, Rach. No, I literally just do whatever comes to mind. I can't forward plan. And the more I try to forward plan these days, the worse I become. I was saying to Mum the other day, if I got a task I know I've got to do, I will do everything except that task. Literally anything. I'll even get an ironing board out. And I mean, that's scraping the barrel. Anything except that task. And the more you nag me, the longer I'll take to do it. Oh my gosh, it sounds like some kind of avoidance, neurodivergence, that is. Please, nobody, don't go messaging me after diagnosing me with anything. I think it's just menopause. But it's funny because I said to my dad earlier on, and I was saying about how I feel in my head now. I'm like at the point now where I know my grandfather got to when he was like 60. That kind of bloody mindedness. I really don't care. Leave me alone. I'm doing my own thing. I'm not bothering you to bother me. And that's how I feel about life. It's just you stay in your lane and I'll stay in mine. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I don't mean that in an offensive way, just that, just let me get on with what I'm doing and don't bug me, basically, but in the nicest possible way. I don't know, I just think we spend so much of our lives worrying about what other people think and trying to do things that please everybody else, don't we? And why? And it took me to get to kind of like 40 and to nearly lose my mind going into early menopause to kind of realise that, yeah, actually, so I'm just filling my glue up, guys, because I remembered last night I was a bit low, to just realise that actually I don't really care anymore. And I tell you what, it's quite freeing. And I think I can almost pinpoint when my mother kind of got to that stage where she just stopped worrying about what other people were thinking. I tell you what, you just feel so much better for it. What are we stressing about? Other people's thoughts, opinions, attitudes. Just do you. So today I did me, and I pretended to be a painter and decorator. My parents had already left, when I'd finished. So I dread to think what it'll look like. Oh, I'm sure it'll be fine. Mum will be watching this now early hours because I know they're not going to sleep tonight because they're so excited. And she'll be thinking, oh my gosh, what have you done? I'm going to have to be up early in the morning and go down. At least I'm not wallpapering because that would definitely be on the floor. I don't know, it might be all right. It might be all right. It's white, so it should be forgiving. It should be, you know, well, we'll see. That's all I can say. Oh, my days. Do you know, I actually, this is the thing, you see, they say about marrying into trades, it's not a good idea because I actually used to be quite a good painter and decorator because I grew up having to do it because my parents literally renovated everything we ever lived in or came across or worked in or where I went to school. I've been painting since I've been old enough to hold a paintbrush. And then, of course, when I met my partner then, his words to me were like, yeah, I'll do the painting, thanks, love. So I was like, oh, okay, thank goodness for that, because I don't particularly enjoy it. So I haven't really done any painting over the last 11 years, 12 years. Apart from the odd occasion when I've done the kids' bedrooms. But that's pretty much it. There's not, I'll tell you now, there's not a lot of paint and decorating goes on in my house, that's for sure. No. He was going to do it, wasn't he, over Easter, and then came down with a lurgy. Yes, mysterious man flu, so that didn't get done. Kitchen paint still sat in the front porch, but there we are. Oh, well, never mind. We hopefully... Oh, no, I'm not going to say anything. I don't want to preempt that. I'm not going to say anything yet. I shall tell you when I know more. Anyway, moving on. Oh, now, I've been told, I've got to keep telling you all about the retreat. I've still got spaces at the retreat in June. Have you seen our promotional photographs on our page? I'm not sure if I've done a reel. Every time I sit to do one, I get distracted. We're having a retreat. We're having a Crafters Wellbeing Crafty retreat in June at Wernicombe Farm. Beautiful converted farm. It's been converted into a holiday dwellings. We are renting the whole site out. Hot tub there, and we've got this massive, beautiful barn that's been converted, and we're going to be doing our crafting in there for 2 days. It's Monday to Wednesday. We'll have tea on the first evening when you come. All food's included, all bed and board. Yeah, it's going to be brilliant. It's going to be brilliant. And we've got some spaces left. So we're just over the border in Wales. There's plenty of transport links. I've got people coming from Ireland. We've got the amazing Angela Kerr joining us. So excited. I can't wait to meet her in person. We've also got Kerry coming from Kerry Griffiths, Crafty McKerry, CERI. Oh, I can't believe it. So excited. We've got Rose coming from Ireland. Oh, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. So if you're interested, we do still have some places. So drop me a line and I will tell you what you need to do to book up. But I know I have another 2 booked this week, so they are going, but I just want to kind of give you a last chance. And we've also then got another one planned in October. No, I'm lying, it's in November. And that will be a different location because I'm not going out to the countryside in November. It'll be too muddy. And it's not really, you know. So we're going to a lovely hotel, which incidentally, Mum and Dad are now about to just be moving across the road from. So, you know, funny how things work out. So you'll all be able to go over and... Oh, I told you this, haven't I? Go and have a tour of her craft room. She's going to clock me for saying that. Before I forget as well, guys, she's not going to be doing any videos this week. She's probably not going to be doing any videos next week. She might do a tour of her craft room when it's finally unpacked, but they don't physically move in until next Thursday. So, please show her some support and go and watch some of her previous videos if you get a chance, just to keep things ticking along for her, because I know she's worked really, really hard. She put loads of videos on last week and the week before, and then, of course, if her views drop a bit, then it goes a bit flat. So I know she really appreciates your support and also all your prayers, because, my goodness, what a stressful journey they've been on the last couple of months, trying to sort out a new house. I've got to just say at this point, that's my grandfather there. That's my daddy's daddy, that is. Isn't he lovely? He was in the box, and I just thought, I'm going to get him out. I wasn't going to put him on because I don't think he's the right shape. But, oh, he is. I'm going to put him on there. Go ahead. But, yeah. So, this was my grandfather, William John Charles Walters. He was born in South Africa, in Benoni. He moved back to South Wales when he was, I want to say, 9, I think. But his family are from Wales, from here, you know. They moved away for a generation and then came back. just because of the lack of work here, I think, at the time. But yeah, so that's my grandfather there. Mum and Dad's new house actually reminds me quite a lot of their house. It's really strange. Lovely, lovely house. So Mum's chuffed to beans. She was, well, I'm gonna have to show them, Mum. She's gonna kill me. Oh, you've got to watch this, guys. Go watch this. He's gonna kill me for showing you that. Oh, we giggled today. Dad and I obviously were busy doing stuff in the house, and Mum was done like making lunch and cleaning it and all. Obviously, there's only so many things she can do because everything's back at the house. And she said, oh, the grass looks like it needs cutting. She's like, go and cut the grass. So I was in the front room on my hands and knees cutting in. So I could hear Dad's eyebrows raise. He was very good. He didn't say a word. So he came quietly. He's very quiet, my father. He reminds me very much of my grandpa now. Very, very quiet. You often wonder what he's thinking. And then you look at him and realise all over his face. And he came in and I said, Mum just say she's going to cut the grass. Yeah. He said, I said, cut the grass, like as in with a mower. Yeah, he said. And you could see he was dying to laugh. I said, Dad, in the 42 years I've known our mum, I have never known her cut grass. No, not me, he said. Of course, then she comes in. So I looked at her, I said, Mum, I'm going to cut the grass here. Yeah, she said. Really enthusiastic and upbeat, you know. I said, oh, you know how to do it, do you? Oh, you cheeky thing. She said, I've cut grass. I said, have you? When? I said, because not since I've been born, you haven't. I've never seen you handle a lawnmower. I cut grass, she said. I said, I don't think you have. Yes, I said, you do know what to do. Yes, I know what to. Give me the mower. Oh, she said, I'm not going to do it now. She's going to make fun. I'm not going to do it. No. I said, I see Dad panicking and then shut up, Rach. Let her cut the grass. And she did. As you could see, she cut the grass. She did a good job as well. And ended up meeting some of the neighbours whilst doing it. So see, it's always a good idea to be out touching grass, as the kids say, literally. Right, who are we going to put on here? Who are we going to put? Oh, let's have that. I haven't got the right ones out, and my fingers are so gluey. So gluey. Oh, well, we'll have grandfather. Should we? That'd be a good place to start, really, wouldn't it? That was handy. Sister. No, I don't think so. Who else have I got here? Family. Yeah, we could put family on there. That would do. Hoyle. Big. Hoyle. Hewell. My brother-in-law's name is Hewell, but he's got an E in his name there, so very close, but it's not quite. No, none of them will do. Where's the rest of my letters? My words. Here they are. Here they are. Oh, there we are. Mab. We'll have that on this son. That'll do. I think I've used most of my Welsh ones now because I'm pretty much down to, oh my word, there was a kerfuffle on the radio this morning. I was driving down to the new place. Now, this is apparently trending worldwide, so I'll be disappointed if you guys haven't heard of this. Brecon Beacons is our national park here in Wales. Beautiful, beautiful national parks where our large mountain ranges. In fact, my parents currently live on the edge of it. They have recently rebranded. Very, very smart move. I questioned it at the time. Now I understand what they're doing. Somebody very clever there in their marketing team. Very shrewd. They're rebranding and now only going to be known by their Welsh name. Well, obviously in Wales, we're bilingual, so all our road signs are in English and in Welsh. Which is very confusing sometimes because the towns that are sometimes Welsh words have then tried to be made more Welsh, and then it's just odd. But anyway, so they've decided now only to use, and I hope I say this right now, Brycheiniog, I think that's how you say it. I'm still learning. Well, apparently our Prime Minister came out and said yesterday that he's still going to call it the Brecon Beacons. So there's been uproar. There was uproar on the radio this morning. Oh my gosh. So funny though. So funny. 2.5 hours the radio phone-in lasted. I put on the wrong one. Flip. He's the son. Because so many people had rung in. So poor old Dot, she was having it from all angles this morning, but it was funny. And then somebody finally cottoned on and texted saying, smart, really smart marketing move. Apparently the hashtag Brian Brychiniog, I think that's how you say it, is trending worldwide because everybody's talking about the fact they've rebranded. How clever. Everybody's going to want to go there now, aren't they, and have their photograph taken in front of the new signs. Very smart. Very smart. So I take my hat off to them. I thought it was a clever bit of rebranding going on there. Perhaps we'll rebrand them, shall we? Or should we rebrand something Welsh and then we'll have a new sign and everybody can come visit us and have their photos taken by the sign. Gosh, I feel like a mountain range today. I don't know. It's been a beautiful day, mate. It was 19 degrees when I got in my car. I don't know what that is in everybody else's money, but that's warm here for, well, it's not actually unseasonal, but it's unseasonal for us here at the minute. Oh, right, there we go. So that's my cue. Old man's come in. Time me to go and get tea in. I heard the door go. And that is me done. So day 52, 100-day challenge. If this is your challenge, go make some lovely journal cards with your photographs. Let's put that bit there. I hope they look all right because I actually didn't really put much thought or concentrate into that at all. I just wanted to have a catch up with you all. I missed you all today. I did. There we go. So I shall be back with some more hilarious footage, I'm sure, of the house move over the weekend. Please wish us well and have a lovely, lovely weekend. I'll see you all very soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.